Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Racing United maintained their lead atop the Ray Nephew Jamaica Premier League standings after coming from behind to earn a 1-1 draw with hosts Arnett Gardens at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex on Monday. Fabian Reid put the Junglists in front in minute 67, but Tajay Grant pulled the league leaders level in the 74th. With the result, Racing moved to 27 points, while Arnett remained just above the relegation zone in 11th on 13 points. Meanwhile, Tivoli Gardens FC returned to winning ways after beating Chapelton Maroons 2-0 at home. Radico Wellington gave the home team a well-deserved lead in the 32nd minute. Tivoli Gardens had an opportunity to make it 2-0 in the 59th, but Nikalia Fuller could not convert from the penalty spot. However, the second goal came in the 9th minute of time added, Justin Dunn sealing the victory.
First and foremost, congratulations to the Tivoli family. Well tried, Chapelton Maroon. Today's game, if you notice, Chapelton didn't lay down and die. They came here to play, and you could see from, as early as, the first whistle that started the game, they were up and running. This means a lot to the team. The fact that, we're coming off back-to-back loss, and we're hoping that we can continue in the same vein.
The defeat was a 6th for Chapelton Maroons in a remarkable run which has seen them winless since victory in their first 3 matches to start the season. The result pushed Tivoli Gardens up to 8th on the table on 15 points, the same as Waterhouse and Malines United. 13th place, the Chapelton Maroons are on 12 points. Chairperson for ISA Netball, Erica Eubanks, has labelled the recently concluded season a success following Hurricane Melissa. Some schools were unable to rejoin the competition after the extended break because of the devastating effects of the hurricane, but Eubanks thinks the restart was necessary.
We know that we were hampered by rain and the hurricane, but because the students needed to showcase their talent, they were resilient, and we saw it fit at ISA to continue the competition. I must say we are sad because some schools really didn't join us back, and we can understand because of the damages they had. But the others who were prepared, they came out and they did an excellent job. It was a ding-dong battle. And you know that only champions come to finals, and they are true champions. All top 4 that made it, they are champions, and we're happy for that. It's a good look for netball, and we're happy that we ended successfully.
In the urban area finals, Gainstead secured the senior title as Woolmers retained the junior crown, while the rural under-19 title went to Homewood Technical and Denby High took the under-16 crown. Homewood were crowned the All-Ireland under-19 champions, while Denby secured the All-Ireland under-16 title. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Kalisha Williams. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, have a good afternoon.